What is up, everybody? We are back, and today we are going to talk a little bit about the channel and where we're going with some of the projects we're going. As you can see, this is not the trailer that we used to have. As you can see here, as we walk back, this is no longer the truck. That's Darius' car, so don't mind that. But we've made some changes, and we're hoping it's the changes for the good. I don't know where the channel's going with it yet. We are going to be making some changes though, but we have this van box truck that we had bought, and so what we did was we sold the truck, got the Jeep, sold the trailer, and we started looking around, and we spent, I don't know, that's why we haven't been online for about a few weeks now. We've been looking around, and we finally found this one. I thought it was a good deal. I got stung, so we're going to talk a little bit about that, but make sure you guys stay tuned, and make sure you like and subscribe, and you guys are like following us as we go through this adventure. You guys are going to learn a lot on this one. So yeah, so I think the biggest thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be trying to build a rig so that we can house our bikes, which we got the Super Glide and we got Diamond. And then we have the BMW, but that's a drift car. We're going to be doing something with that later on. I'm going to be getting that registered and taken care of. We'll be driving that to the actual tracks. Then if we need to, I'm actually putting a hitch on this little bad boy. And we're going to be flat towing the Jeep. We got a Blue Ox for it as well. Found a really good deal on Facebook. And that was actually a really good opportunity to get. So what we're going to do is talk a little bit about this and why we got stung. So most of these box trucks, vans, it's technically called a cutaway van, and it's a 2008 Chevy Express cutaway. And what they do is it's just a frame, and it's just a cutout on the top, on the front there from Chevy. And then what they do is they put a box, or they put a van, or whatever. It's like the U-Haul vans. Now this, when we bought it, I'm used to seeing the boxes out there that have metal studs. So I knew about a little bit of damage on the passenger side, but I did not know, when I started uncovering everything, that this has wood studs. I did not know that until I started doing some digging. I thought maybe somebody had repaired this and done some work to it. No, that's actually a legit thing, that some of these boxes, to keep it on the cheaper, they would use wood studs and not use metal. So that was my mistake. Learn from my mistake, trust me. But so what we did was we started gutting everything out. As you can see, we're down to bare walls. I've already started spray foam insulating some of the stuff. I was pretty upset about that when I saw that. I even messaged the seller on that saying, you know, thanks for the heads up and whatnot, but you know, it is what it is now. So it's my decision to buy it. Now I got to live with it, and I got to start fixing it. So as you can see up here in the front corner, we'll take you up there and show you some footage. But we've been replacing all the 2x4s and taking them out and putting new ones in, resealing it all back up. We've already got up on the roof, and we sealed up the roof, repaired all the damage and everything from when they hit a tree over there, and taking care of some of that stuff. So we have a lot to still do. We're going to be doing some wiring today for some electrical. As you can see, we have the new 30 amp plug here, and that's going to be bringing in 30 amps to it. We're going to have the mini split that we got to get hooked up, and we got some other stuff that we're in the process of getting all wired up. So we're going to get that all taken care of. We're going to get the electrical box all hooked up, and Darius is going to help me with some stuff today, and we're going to go from there. We're going to finish some spray foaming in here and get some insulation. We need to get some lights, because right now I have no lights, and it kind of sucks trying to work in this at night, because I got my one light from the overlanding, where it's just a little stand and gives us some light, but not a lot. So from this point forward, you'll be seeing some footage and some progress as we start moving through this. So let's get started. That's pretty bad, dude. Is that mold? Okay, so from some of the video that you guys saw, I think it's safe to say that we're rapidly approaching trying to start boxing this in. So basically what we're doing is we had to get some of the wiring done. We had to get some of the stuff ran through the wire, the walls, and then we're gonna start getting the plywood all put back up so we can get it all painted, and then we're gonna start building out the garage. The problem is I need to be able to see where I'm gonna have the garage and have it all set up to be able to fit the bikes. Now, I've taken some measurements and I've got some stuff set up, and as you can see here, we have this here is going to be the mount that we have here, and then also you see back here we got the old mounts and stuff from the old trailer. We got the tour pack mount, and then I got this mount here for tools and stuff, and then of course through the time lapse you guys saw us working on some of the electrical. Now as we start working through this, we're going to get everything all situated. I'm going to start building out the wall, and basically our bed's going to be somewhat high on this so that the bikes fit underneath here. It's not going to be a pass-through, but nice thing is it's going to be a little bit smaller, but it is going to basically have just like a small kitchen right up in this area here. So we're going to have a kitchen here where this, like the water tank, we're going to have stairs that go up to the bed area here, which is going to be right around here. The bed's going to sit up there. We're going to have some storage cabinets up there as well too. Get my bearings. This here is going to be just kind of an area that I'm going to set up for the folding desk, that like a folding desktop that comes down so that we can use it for working on stuff. Got a couple outlets here. This here is going to be where the main controller goes. Then of course here we're going to have a shower. And then like I said, we're going to have the kitchen area here. And then we got the water tank all on this side. Now the reason we're doing this is because if we ever do hook up to shore power, we want to standardize this so it's all set up the same way as you do when you go to an RV park. Makes it a little bit easier. So that's all going to be getting put over here. Like I said, we have the shore power over here. We're going to have a water fill over here. We're going to have a gas over here. Keep it all to one side. I'm going to have the batteries and everything over here as well too. So batteries will be over here. And then this will be my tool area / strap down for the garage area as far as what we have for storage. So yeah, it's coming along. This is just the first video of many that we're going to have for this. So as you guys continue to follow us and see where the progress goes. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, even reach out to us, and we will help as much as we can, and we'll see you on the next one.